The strategy of 3 indicators, if you use it correctly. So your trading style may change. So without any further delay, let's start it. So as usual, we will see 3 points in this too. 1. Full details of the settings of the strategy. 2. How to use it. 3. How much profit can be made. So first of all, we understand the settings of the strategy, so you have to add 3 indicators to it. The first indicator is the Keltner channel. The second indicator is RSI. And the third indicator is the stochastic oscillator. And out of this, we are going to change the setting of 2 indicators. The multiplier in the Keltner channel is to be set to 2. And 10. 70. 30 setting is best in RSI. You can set the colors according to your own preferences. And don't change the setting of stochastic. Now here the candle time is best of 30 seconds. And we will take a trade of 1 minute. And here the settings are complete. Now we will see the second point where we have to place the trade. And what should we look for while taking a trade? So as the market touches the lower line of the Keltner channel, an RSI will also be on the lower line, and in the condition of stochastic oversold, when its 2 moving average lines cross each other and turn upwards, then you have to place a trade of 1 minute. And when the market touches the upper line of the Keltner channel, and in RSI also the line should be in overbought condition, and when both the lines cross downward in stochastic, then you have to take entry in the downtrend. Now we will see by trading it in real how to use it in real, and how much profit we can earn from it. So here the market has almost come to the lower line of Keltner, and RSI is also showing oversold condition. Now we will simply place the trade immediately after the 2 lines of stochastic cross. There was a cross, so I immediately placed an entry at $100. So I have placed 2 more entries here. Because here the market will go up, it is confirmed, because there is an uptrend in the market, and RSI and stochastic have also shown oversold conditions. So here the entry won by going above the market which we had placed first, but the market was very near to the entry, but the entry taken below has won very well. Here also the market is on the lower line, RSI and stochastic are also in oversold condition, and both the lines intersect each other upwards, so here also 1 minute trade can win. Unfortunately our trade got lost here. You always have to pay attention that whatever strategy you use, it has a winning ratio up to a limit, and someday that strategy doesn't work because of bad market, but each strategy has a very good winning ratio. Here also the market is on the upper Keltner line, and RSI is also in overbought. I will enter immediately, when the stochastic lines intersect on the downside. Also the market has stopped here because of a small support here, but our entry here has won. Here the market is on the upper line, and also there is resistance here, and below RSI is also telling overbought, and now the stochastic is crossing down, so I'll take $2 $100 here, because it is a good confirmation. And the entry here has won. Now let us move to the next entry. Here the market is taking a U-turn to the upside from near the lower line of the Keltner channel, and here he has taken support, and below in RSI and stochastic is also telling the direction of the up, so I will take double entry here. And here the trade has won. Here the market is moving above the upper line of the Keltner channel. This means a strong uptrend, but there is resistance here, and even in an uptrend, the market tends to bounce back 2 to 3 candle. And if we have got the signal below also, then 30-second entry will win comfortably. Whether the trade is a win or a loss, you should analyze both the trades, like how far the trade entry has won, and whether the entry has been placed at the right place or not. This is the analysis I do after every trade. There is a very good confirmation here, because 1, there is a downtrend going on, 2, the market is going down by touching the upper line, and the RSI as well as the stochastic have given a down signal, so I'll place a double entry here. You will rarely get instant trades in this strategy, for this you add a lot of currency. And sometimes you will also find dummy trades, as your entry will be correct, but the market will move against it. That's why pay attention to money management as well. There is a strong downtrend here, because the market is moving below the lower line, but even in a downtrend, the market always pullbacks to this middle line, and below the RSI and stochastic have also given the signal that the market will go up for some time, so you can take an entry here, and the entry here has won. Now here I have to take a trade against the signal. If you go with the signal here, you would have lost the trade, because the market is going down with a strong downtrend, and more importantly, it has broken this support, and now the extended support is below, so he can go up to this support, so I'll enter here on the downside. So now we will place one more entry, and then we will close today's session. And here the last trade has also won, so I have probably taken 8 to 9 trades, and out of that one of my entries has been lost. Strategy works a lot, but you have to do some practice, because practice can make you perfect. So see you with the next profitable strategy.